Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Yonder robot vacuum cleaner. I already had this for 3 months now, and this is a great robotic vacuum cleaner. I like how it cleans my house easily and I don't have to program it, and I just have to set up the schedule of how I want it to clean, and then it does it by itself certain time that I set it to. So you can see here is the vacuum. On the back is the charging base right there. It comes with the different bristles. So battery life, it lasts a few hours. And once this runs low, then it goes back to the home base. You can see that it has the on and off button. On the bottom here, you could plug in the plug if you just want to plug it in. Here is the on and off button and the home button. It has like bumpers here. So when it's working, if it hits something, then it'll move around. So this is how the underside looks. It has some big wheels here that lifts up the vacuum to go over the different obstacles. It comes with these 2 bristle brushes. It even has 2 extra ones just in case if these gets messed up or it's time to change it. It has this roller wheel here so it could maneuver, turn around. Right here are the 2 charging plates right here. And here is where it sucks up all the garbage. It has a big bumper here. And then it has some sensors right there. It also has sensors right here on the bottom. When you lift up this back panel right here, you could take off the dust filter. So you use it like this. You take this off. And you can wash this with soap and water. And it even comes with an extra filter once this one gets all messed up. And it has an allergen filter here also. You put this on like this. And then when you want to empty out the trash bin, you lift this up. And here's all the garbage that it collects. Put it back, push it back down, and go like that. So you could see the app when it's working. You could stop it, you could send it home to charge. I have it on auto mode right here. You can even set it for edge, spot, or manual. You could set up a schedule depending on when you want it to clean. You can either do the Find My Robot or order parts if you need the parts. And then it shows the battery life and how long that it's been cleaning for. So the app is very convenient to use. So when you're ready to use it, you can either do the auto button, clean the circles, or to clean just the edges. Or if you want to use the manual controls right here. And we just go to auto. Go to auto. So you can see how it's just cleaning all over. And you can see how easily it picks up and it moves through the different surfaces. And whenever it finds an obstacle, it will go around it. And here it's going to find its own home to charge itself. Sometimes it takes a few tries to find itself. Sometimes it finds it right away. So when it charges, you can see if the light is green, that means the dock is ready. When the green light turns off, that means that it's charging. And then on the vacuum itself, you can see that the red light is blinking, so it's charging successfully. Overall, this is a great robotic vacuum cleaner. I like how easy it is to set up and use. I also like how it comes with a convenient remote control that you can either charge it with the charging base, or if you just want to plug it in directly to the plug. I also like how easy it is to clean the dust tank right here, and it comes with the filters to remove the dust and all the allergens from the floors. And I also like how it has the big wheels on the bottom, so it could easily go over different level floors, and it could pick up all the different types of the dirt from the floor. And the battery life lasts a very long time on a single charge.